Welcome back, people of the internet. Samsung Internet Browser Beta. Now, in case you don't know, you can download the Samsung Internet Beta version from the Samsung App Store, which is listing here, the store, all right. And this morning they released a new update, version 28.04.59. This has been released on the 15th of July and it's 170 megabytes. But what are the new things, guys? Improved address bar and top bar design, support bookmarks sorting feature, and updated homepage and tools menu with a new design. Now, I covered this before because I'm using this Samsung Beta with the new designs. It's quite some time and I will want to walk you around the new things. So by the way, there are a lot of new things, like they updated the home screen and now it looks fancy, all right. They also updated this new section here, which is the settings menu. You can see this new settings menu in the gallery as well and in some of the other apps, but the main thing is One UI 8 is really aiming to introduce some features that I do believe will improve the way we use our phones, because that's a big phone and I'm a guy with big hands, but even with my big hands on this big phone I cannot really reach to the top. So concentrating these things here, the settings and the tools, I do believe it's a good thing. But now back to the new changes. So they said that they updated kind of this design, and I think this is almost the same as with the previous version, but they're now fine-tuning it. Something else that they said, and I'm going to show you, they updated the tabs design. All right, this is now how the tabs are looking, and they also added some options for the bookmarks. So let's say I will go here, all right, and I'm going to explore this tab. I'm going to open here apple.com, and this is already in my bookmarks. I'm going to show you also how the bookmarks thing work now. Okay, bookmark deleted. When I add it, boom, they're going to pop up with a new fancy animation here, which I think is kind of nice. And again, this is really aligned with a lot of the UI elements that you can see. Android 16 and One UI 8 in particular, I have a good feeling about this release. So now I've added this to the bookmarks and I can go here and now I have the hamburger option here to kind of sort the bookmarks, like newest first, oldest first, name A to Z or name Z to A. So there are again some very small and very little tiny updates, but I do believe that Samsung are really working their way forward to bring us the One UI 8 stable. And I'm saying this, guys, because right now I'm still using the BYG3 update, and this has been some issues with this update. By the way, if you are affected, let me know. I received some tips from System Hacks on how to fix this. Now my phone used to like randomly restart when I'm switching from Wi-Fi to mobile, but BYG3 is the latest test firmware, and you can see the latest official one is still AYF1 for my version, which is the EUX, which means it's still Android 15, no Android 16, no One UI 8. But guys, with these small updates that Samsung are introducing, I have a feeling that the One UI 8 is going to hit us very, very soon. So improved address bar, tab bar design, support the bookmark sorting feature, the homepage and the tools menu. Now in terms of the address bar, this is how it looks like. All right, you can see some nice and fancy animation. And by the way, guys, I kind of really like where this thing is going, and I also like the fact that this thing supports the Galaxy AI, and I do believe this is really cool because with the Galaxy AI you have options to summarize, you have options to translate. So Samsung is really pushing the forefront of the AI, and I do believe that other companies, in particular Apple, are really lacking with the Apple Intelligence. So you can see you can do a lot of things here. You can translate, you can get summaries, detailed ones, short ones. You can also read this aloud, and of course if you install the support languages, also do translate this, and it's kind of seamless, like it just exists there, right? You hit it, you can read the highlights if of course that's in a support language. So there are plenty of things that Samsung is working upon. And by the way, notice here, guys, this new tools settings menu, guys, it's semi-transparent, it's translucent, because when this animation pops in, when they unfold the Z Fold 7, you can see that you can really look through that. So honestly, I have a good feeling. This is the update, guys. Stay safe, watch all the other videos if you're interested in Samsung products and smartphones and cameras, and see you soon.